Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then over here we'll see this is the radiator cap, which would have coolant inside, and then this is the main coolant reservoir you'd add to. And on the side here, down low, there's markings for a full line, and a low line would be below that. So you do want some air gap in here, so it shouldn't be completely full. And that said, you want to do all this while the system's turned off and the vehicle's cool. You don't want it running just because the system can work under pressure, and often that coolant can get to like a boil, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to come shooting on you and make for a bad day. But to fill, you just pop this open, and then with your jug of coolant, you want to match the color as best as you can, and ideally the same brand you've been using, best not to mix and match if you can help it. But either with the funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you'll just pour it in here till you get to the full line down there. When you're done, just pop this closed again, and then here you can unscrew this if you need to add directly to the radiator, but typically you just have to add to this. The radiator should always be pulling, so it'll always be full. And then as best as you can, check around the motor, around all the lines, look for any leaks or cracks where you might see coolant start to puddle, any crack in the reservoir, potentially around the radiator. Sometimes if those get really hot, those can get cracks. And another way to test too, so while the vehicle's running, it'll have coolant circulating through the system, and then you might see coolant start to puddle underneath some of the lines or underneath the vehicle, say at the bottom of the radiator. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slightly sweet smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on, if you feel it, it'll be a slightly more slick feel than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.